Hi everyone, Soft here. So this projector is Rikomagic Hub 6. It's running Android and I've connected two speakers, USB 3.5mm jack and powered by USB. It can be controlled with included remote control here, but this is only infrared. So instead I use my Air mouse with keyboard. It's much more convenient to use that way, as well as a wireless gamepad to play games. Okay, I'll show you the interface. Okay, so now I'm projecting on the wall. The diagonal is around 40 inch, so it's equivalent to a 40-inch display. I'm using the Air mouse to control it now. So we have Google Play with some caveats. HappyCast is a casting app, but it's only in Chinese. I haven't used it. Okay, if we go to settings, I could configure Wi-Fi, use Bluetooth. We can set the brightness. Unless you run on battery, maybe you want maximum brightness. Screen rotation, yeah. The resolution is 720p of the UI, okay. I tried to connect to PC, but it's not working. I don't know how to use it. No, exactly, I don't know how to use it. Okay, this is R6 and it's using Android 7.1.2 on a fairly old version of the Linux kernel. Okay. There is a media center app. I only use it to show pictures, screenshots, and as you do it, it will automatically enter a slideshow and with some classical music. Okay, let's go back to this mode. Another interesting thing is Wi-Fi display. This is Miracast. Let me take my phone. So I'll explain it in detail in CNX software blog, but basically you have to go to settings. I'm using a Xiaomi Mi A2 phone, means Android One phone, and go to connected device, connection preferences, cast, and then you click connect. It will find the projector, and now you can see on the left bottom side I'm connected to my phone. Okay, and we can do the usual thing we do with Miracast. Okay, I will stop it. I watched a YouTube video with my phone like this, and it was fine. And it works with iPhone 2. I don't have one, but it works with AirPlay. Another thing interesting is the user manual is entirely inside the device, so you'll find some useful information like how to use the remote control, but I haven't really done it. How to do casting. Okay, you can see there is Android. Oh, USB cable I haven't tried on AirPlay. And there are plenty of other information that can be useful. Okay, let's go to YouTube for fun. Okay. I'll go to some recent videos. I'll use Russia today because normally I don't get demonetized. Uh,
German farmers are furious, but this is not a united front. Two camps are taking aim to the government over its environmental
okay.
rules for
I had no specific problem during playback.
thousands of farmers causing
But let's go to. Well, I'm not going to go here yet. Google Play. And YouTube. Okay, that's not this one I want. I think it's called YouTube for TV, right? Yeah. Okay, YouTube for Android TV. Okay, it will not show it, but now the app is running YouTube for Android TV and you cannot update it. That's not an option, I don't know why. I will talk more about this in the review in Cinex software, you can find the link below. Also a problem with Antutu Benchmark, it will not install in the Google Play Store, so I installed it from Epic Pure. And the processor, okay, it's not RK3066, but it's a quad-core Cortex A7 processor, and it's a RK3128, so it's also low end. I could play games like Candy Crush Saga and Beach Buggy Racing, but obviously this is quite slow. I mean, this is you can still play, but it's not perfect. This is the same processor as the company's previous model. And for the DRM part, we are limited to wide wine level 3, no level 1. That's not really surprising. I haven't tried Kodi yet. But anyway, it will be limited to 1080p because the processor will not support 4K, and the video output anyway is 720p. And this is not rooted, and this one I found it also interesting, the WPS Projector Hub. So you can easily use it with your phone to display presentations. So what I had to do is to install the WP Office app in my phone first. And okay, this will not be clear, but now I'm launching a QR app. I'm scanning this and it will open a link in your browser. Okay, this will probably not focus when you click go. And we will start the app and we can select some files. I will do this. After I will send the documents to the screen, it will not save the file in the projector, but it will allow you to display it. Okay, this is not my PowerPoint file, but you can go with your presentation and you can slide and you carry on with your talk and slide. There is a small delay, but less than 1 second. Let's try if we can see it. Probably not. I think it's acceptable. Okay, now I'm back in the interface. So brightness, as long as you are in a fairly dark room, it's okay. It doesn't need to be completely dark. Late afternoon is, I think I can still use it. And I even tried to do a very large screen, taking all my wall up to 90 inch. That's what my wall allows, and I could use it as well. I'd recommend to use external speakers, but otherwise it's not too bad. Obviously the performance will not be fantastic, but if you just want something to project on the go, there is a battery as well, so you can do this outside. I think the battery will last 3 hours. I haven't done detailed testing yet. Alright, thanks, that's all I wanted to show. Thanks for watching, bye bye.